In a suomoto proceeding on the COVID-19 crisis in India, the Supreme Court has asked some really tough questions to the centre on implementing a lockdown in the country to mitigate this crisis, on the prices of vaccines, on supplying and distributing oxygen to different states in need, and on the availability of COVID-19 medication. More importantly, the Supreme Court has questioned the centre on its vaccine policy. Why are there different prices set for vaccines? The Supreme Court has asked the centre to explain why are COVID-19 vaccines priced differently for the state governments, for the private sector and for the centre. The Supreme Court has suggested why can't the government buy all the vaccines and then distribute it as part of the national immunization program. It's in fact asked the centre to really consider the national immunization program and also consider giving out vaccination for all its citizens in the country free of cost. The court told the centre that the private manufacturer of the vaccine can't be left to decide what quantity of vaccines must be given to which state at what price. The court also asked the state and the central government on how are they going to enable vaccine registration for those who are illiterate and also those who do not have access to the internet. The vaccine manufacturers in India are charging 150 rupees for a dose to the central government and about 300 to 400 rupees per dose to the state governments and the private sector. The Supreme Court has asked the centre on the logic behind this because there's a difference of 30 to 40,000 crores which the states and the private sector may have to shell out additionally. In fact, the Supreme Court has also mentioned that AstraZeneca Covishield vaccine is selling the vaccine at a far lesser price to United States citizens. Then why are Indians paying a lot more? Pointing out that the centre had said that 50% of the vaccine procurement will be done by state governments, the court asks, will one state get priority access over the other state? How will vaccine manufacturers ensure equal distribution of vaccines to all the states simultaneously? Well, the centre has now kept the next hearing on the 10th of May and will pass interim orders. It now remains to be seen how the central government will react on the prices of vaccines and other needed support to the state governments.